Hello everyone. I've been picking some foliage because I like to bring in the outdoors in, and it's just all different bits really. There's some rosemary, I thought I'd bring in before it goes over, and I've cut some small bits as well which I will hang up. I've already got some up there. It's such a gorgeous smell, it really is. Beautiful, I love it. And there's some bay leaf here, and there was one final rose which it's been sitting like that for a while, so I thought, oh, I'll cut it and bring it in because it's not, I don't think it's going to flower now. I've also decided to make a couple of apple nightlight holders. So literally just sort of cut out the top of the apple and then just pop the nightlight in, and it looks really effective. Just taking out the stalks so that they sit a bit better, otherwise they're in danger of rolling over. And then ooh, that was a pretty good round circle. Just hollow the top of the apple out. So that is kind of the size. Actually, a spoon. And then that should just sit in there. I'm going to open up.